Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reset any TV without remote. So if your TV won't turn on or has lines on screen or has a light blinking, you can just reset your TV using the steps. First, you can turn off the TV and then you can unplug it from the socket. So unplug this cable, the TV cable. After that, you can hold down the power button here for 50 seconds, and after that you can release it and wait for 2 minutes. You can set a timer on your phones to be sure to fully wait for 2 minutes, and once done you can plug in the TV again and turn it on, and you can try this 2 or 3 times if it's still unsuccessful, and after that you can increase the wait time to 30 minutes. So that's all from me. I hope this will fix your TV problem. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.